a bit odd, aren't they?
The new Corolla Cross GR Sport, filled with thrills.
It is Good TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. It's match day number 4 for Orlando Pirates, and also it's Kukune. Go round 2 between these two teams because they have to meet 3 times in 1 week. They met already this past Saturday in the MTN 8 semi-final, first leg. Now it's Tuesday, as in 3 days later. They meet again in the Betway Premiership. They will meet again on Saturday. Second leg, where first semi-final, MTN, which is about round 3, while a fixture between these two teams. But in football, fixtures ziyakwazi uvele zenzeke nje ngakhange nezicingele, because I can't believe ukuthi two teams are playing one fixture 3 times in 1 week, but it has happened between Orlando Pirates and also Isikhukhune. Orlando Pirates coming out victorious kulo mdlalo wanamhlanje weBetway Premiership, making it 10 points out of 4 games, 3 wins, 1 draw. There's other games tomorrow at Richards Bay. Kaizer Chiefs is against Richards Bay, also Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns is ke ne Amazulu. But ulale sathatha ngawo namhlanje nglo we Orlando Pirates and also Isekhukhune. Mhlobam, unjani?
Tashini right.
Kebana mhlobam yini wafakila ndika ikapi mhlobam?
Mara uza ukuthi kebana mngana. Phela wena no kushushu kuwe cause uhleli phezulu mngana mshaya ama clean sheet. Angeke ugodola uhleli phezulu.
But it's cold out there.
But yogodola kanjani uhleli phezulu?
Bobzin, how are you, my brother?
I'm right, man. Ithi ngibulisa amadoda la studio shade.
Yeah, Bobzin, masingene kulo mdlalo Sekhukhune and Orlando Pirates round 2 one fixture. Orlando Amstel Arena.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates collecting maximum points. Ubone njalo umdlalo namhlanje?
No, well done to the defending champion Tashane.
Yeah.
I think benze kahle kakhulu Tashane namhlanje mawungabheka. Well done to China. Keeper le clean sheet. Wa count la clean sheet. Ungathi masawina goalkeeper of the season. Bese uzongitshela ukuthi defender be tight. Angisho yabona ukuthi wenza kahle lapha kule position. So Shane, ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach Wadu wenza ama changes awu 3 today ku lineup yakhe. Into nje engizwisa ubhlungu ukuthi asikho fair sometimes if coaches ba change ama lineup and ba end up aba loser or ba draw ama games. Siba phezulu kwabo ukuthi uyifixa kanjani ngaphukanga, but sometimes uma yenza ama changes into imsebenzela. I think it's good because uma ungabheka kwangathi kune team afuna ukudlala ngayo coach Wadu, and he's preparing abadlali njengoba ngishizo last week ukuthi he's preparing some of the players since well you know ukuthi iPirates in a challenge ngama injuries wabanye abadlali, so obvious kunabadlali kumele ukuthi abanikeze ichance. I'm happy ukuthi uprotect abadlali abafana nabo Mbuthuma, especially uma ngabe mhlambe istriker singakore, you bring another striker usinikeze ichance. Radio Pane, he played very well today Shane, 1 goal 1 assist. I think boy wenze kahle, but I'm happy kakhulu nje into angichaza ngayo Radio Pane ukudlala off the ball Shane. Ubheka ama run wakhe off the ball ukuthi unayo lento yokuba istriker ngendlela nje angakhona the quality anayo, and ngibone linye ibhola before he score liku acquired alithatha ngeweaker foot. We understand kuyakutshela lokho ukuthi i-development yaka Radio Pane i-top notch uma ungabheka lo yamdlali, because sometimes you may understand umdlali because spend isikhathi esiningi singena bhola on the field Shane. Yeah. Only mhlawumbe less than 4 minutes each player azoyishare sebholeni, so kusho kona ukuthi umdlali umele umbheke kakhulu off the ball ukuthi yini into ayenzayo and ubheke ne finishing yakhe, the technique. Ngicabanga ukuthi uRadio udlale kahle kakhulu, so iqembu leOrlando Pirates Shane kulama changes elwayenzile ngibona baletha uZulu today la ucaptain weteam angekho, they played well bano Siyema. Ngicabanga ukuthi uSiyema omunye umuntu makhona kule center back lo yamdlali ungaletha noma ngabe ngibani, they can play, because into engiyangayinaka uHoto today beyangekho more offensive, because ngibheke the way uSibangani Zulu adlala le center left ukuthi ngathi unokucabanga ukuthi konje ngidlala noSibangani Zulu angidlali noSibisi, so that is why ngabheka uHoto today beyangekho more ku attack, and lela side uma ngathi uyalibheka bekunzima ukubona ukuthi ubani odlala la side la ka left, because uApolice noma Silela bonke labadlali ungabheka the way ba interchange ngakhona lama position ugcina ungasa understand because most badlala la kuma half channel la kulama half 10 batholakala bala but side la ka right bele out chain mina bengicaka ukuthi uzomletha ukampani lungu second half after ngibona umsendami angayinikeza inix Orlando Pirates because mawungathi uyabheka awazi ukuthini because akekho quick and most of the time Orlando Pirates idlala ngama winger quick but mawungabheka umsendami akekho quick chain so give credit nale midfield ye Orlando Pirates but kunala ngisengaka understand le midfield ngikhumbuza yaka Andile Jali no Opamanyisa angeke understand ubani odlala i6 ubani odlala i8 bonke labadlali umkobodi nomthiyani uma ungababheka nje badlala ngakhona but konke lokho siyakubona cause kuyayisebenzela Orlando Pirates because badlala kahle iPirates ya create lawo ma chances yakora kuyoba nenkinga la khona bazo break iOrlando Pirates kule rest defense ila sizozibuza khona ukuthi ubani odlala i6 ubani obekumela cover ya defense but kwamanje akusilula ukuthi ukubone because Pirates ama team amaningi mangathi yabheka ngicabanga ukuthi iya dominate ku midfield yayo so that is why ngithi no ekugcineni kunala kumele ukuthi sibone ukuthi ubani ozama ukuprotect le defense because kunala khona ubona ukuthi banokuba break ngibona umjela athola amanye amabhola eboxing uma ngathi yabheka nalama free header abawatholayo I don't think ukuthi kwamele ukuthi yenzeke lento le I mistake lento efana naleya but angokuyibone njengoba iPirates yawina but akumelanga ukuthi umdlali angathola ama free header akathola lawo mabhola wa receive kulela box shape
that midfield though opposite xa ujongile that defense was it protected enough namhlanje Mokobodi and also Mtiane did they protect that defense enough namhlanje because I saw so many instances where Isikune bypassed that defense I mean la midfield now we had to see uZulu working we had to see uSiema working not that they abasebenzi but namhlanje could see ukuthi they worked for isalary yabo namhlanje
ngasho ngithi Shane ibonakala abasebenzile because ungabheka Sikhukhudi besingekho more ku creativity bekungana abadlali ngicabanga bafuna ukudlala always Isikhukhuni besifuna ukudlala wide abo Kazim kube yiba aba overlapayo baletha lawo ama cross eboxini ukuthi at least athola abo Brian abo Bright Ndlovu lapha kulela box so ngicabanga ukuthi that is why uyobona benza kahle ngoba abo Ramala bebanga function kuleya number 10 because simbona namhlanje lo Thato Khiba he was lost kuleya midfield umkhize ngicabanga ukuthi bekasebenza overtime ngani because of manje unabantu udlala nabantu aba understand le midfield which is umthiyani nomkobedi so ngicabanga ukuthi Shane bawenza lo msebenzi ubonakale because of the opponent uma ungabheka unumber 10 wale opponent sometimes I understand ukuthi bedlala kanjani especially Isikhukhuni first half uma ungabheka first half ukuthi Isikhukhuni besidlala kanjani bonga understand ukuthi yini into abafuna ukuyenza because bebahluleka nokushaya 5 touches so kusho kona ukutshela something and uletha Ndlovu up front ngicabanga ukuthi maybe sekumele ba change baletha umjela kuleya position because umjela uyafuza Shane umunye umdlali obusy uyaphithiza kuleya lo front line yesikhukhuni but uNdlovu is a finisher udinga abantu azomlethela lawo mabhola but if abekho labo badlali kuyoba difficult for abadlali abafana nalo umbekeleni lapha because simbona manje at least Isikhukhuni second half yila khona ngibone khona second half after icala nje second half bafunile ukuthi okay babonisa njengabadlali ngathi bafuna igoli but ngayipi ngale pressure yakamtshela ngicabanga ukuthi coach angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ubonani na last week ukumtshela ukuthi why bekamdonsa I'm not sure na today ukuthi why udonsa umdlalo ofana nomjele ngicabanga ukuthi uyozama ukuba bully up front umdlali ngicabanga ukuthi une creativity going forward because ungabheka no Ramabu uzamile uRamabu ukuthi angadlala kulela winger the way simanga but ngapha ku right wesikhukhuni bekungayenzeki nix Shane njengoba ngikutshela ngithi ungabuka noDlozi bekamana khuphuka nje angakhuphuki because ugade lama opponent we-Orlando Pirates because bazi ukuthi ane speed so ngendlela ngisho ngakhona ngithi maybe bangayilungisa nala midfield ukuhamba kwakabomnari kuleya midfield I think nalesa strike esifana noRobla kuhamba ku Sikhukhuni kubanikeza iproblem abasengakabi ready Shane ngendlela ngibabona ngakhona bayowaluza wonke lama game awu3 ku-Orlando Pirates because akunento ngicabanga ukuthi babonisa something njengamanje babuyela khona eOrlando bayogeziswa khona eOrlando because uyabona ukuthi akuna nix engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bangayi maybe if bazo change indlela yokudlala by all out because it's a cup game ayisekho into abazoyidlalela uya loser out ku M108 but the way babonisa ngakhona Isikhukhuni Shane asibonisa kuyi-team esiba aggressive esifuna ukudlala bakhona nje uma ungabheka but kukhona nje le spark esishodayo kuSikhukhune especially ku-attack because abomaghalwa ukuhamba kwabo kulawa mawinga kubonisa something ukuthi abasekho effective kulawa mawinga weSikhukhune Shane.
Yeah, babuzini masivale mhlobam masivale ukhona utata kuthiwa uDlamini pha eOrlando Stadium just abe back stadium ufuyile kunenkomo kunegusha kuneinkukhu I think enye yenkukhu zakhe this night ikhe yolala I think last night leli pha eOrlando Stadium because we saw a couple of eggs I think la nkukhu le ke nje amaqanda pha ngase pha kwiza goalposts eOrlando Pirates amaqanda I think there was also a little message ebhalwe I think zinguku zikata uDlamini lohlala ngapha kwase Orlando Stadium yeah
uhlala lapha kulela side ningasibonisi kulo uma ngabe iCamera iveza iAmstel
yeah ngapha yakanye yeah ikhona ikrali enkulu pha isibaya inkukhu zakhe zibapha I think ikhona enye leli pha
ingena kanjani ivula ama gate lapha ukuthi zingene
inkukhu
lapha no ngiyazi ukuthi but lapha kade stadium ngisuka nivulile ne
ingenile bobusini
yazi mawushini igama la kaDlamini bengicanga ukuthi ufuna ukutshela ngoDlamini waAmazulu ukuthi umbonile ukhona la eLoftus phela wena njalo
wasivale bobusini wasivale Orlando Amstel Arena is Orlando Pirates 2 Sekhukhune United 0. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.